so today I'm going to be doing this lovely package here. This is from the Dollarama, and I figured it'd be really fun to test out considering it is almost Christmas, and this would be super fun. It is decorate your hair bun. It's for Christmas, obviously, and this is in a snowman. See if you can see it. Alright, so if you guys are new, welcome to my channel. If you guys are not new, welcome back to my channel, and thanks for joining us. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're getting all the notifications of when all these upcoming videos are coming out. If you want to see if I can turn my hair into a snowman, which could be interesting, then just keep watching. So, full disclosure, I am a hairdresser, and this does tell you what to do on the back, and I have seen videos on doing stuff like this and making snowmen out of your hair already previous. So yeah, I've never really tried anything like this before in my hair. I do wear like Santa clips sometimes, but alright, let's just get into this. So I'm just going to open this up and show you what is in here before we turn around and get to the back of my head. So in here is a scarf, and it's got a little top hat, which is super cute. It's got the, like, it's a clip, and then the eyeballs, and then your nose. They have the eyeballs and the nose both have Velcro on them so they can stick to your hair, and then of course there's the bun thing. Keeping in mind my hair is purple and pink at the moment, so it's not going to look super snowman-y because, you know, pink and purple aren't really snowman colors. Alright, so let's see if I can make my hair look like a snowman. Well, that was not actually really hard at all. It kind of was pretty easy. It was just a bit hard to see kind of from behind. So if you have somebody else to kind of help you out, make sure you're putting the eyes and the little hat on properly. It's really not that hard, which is kind of cool because it was only $3, and that's definitely something fun to do. Alright, well, that was everything for this video. If you guys liked it, please give me a good old thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye!